Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making vegetarian meatballs. Guys, this is super healthy and delicious. Alright, if you guys are new to my channel, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, share, hit the notification bell also. Alright, and comment. So let's jump right into it. So this is our chickpeas. Alright. And it's washed and soaked overnight. Guys, if you don't want to do this process, you can use tin beans. That is just fine. Alright, so I boiled that for 15 minutes. So these are the rest of my ingredients, and they will also be in the description box along with the measurements. So here, guys, I just added some butter and some diced onions and my garlic, green onions, and give this a good stir. We'll allow this to cook for about 3 minutes. Now I go in with some salt, smoked paprika, some chicken bouillon, black pepper, give that a good stir, my bell peppers, green, red, and orange. Alright, make sure everything is well combined. Now we go in with our diced mushrooms. Now this part is optional. If you don't have mushrooms or don't like it, you can omit this part, but I love mushrooms, so I'm using that today. Alright, allow this to cook for about another 3 minutes. Add some fresh parsley. Smells and looks amazing, guys. So I did go in with some frozen peas and carrots. Alright, so we will remove this from stove sorry, and let this sit until it becomes room temperature. Then I transfer everything to my food processor. Alright, and then I will pulse this until it becomes not pasty, but everything is well combined. I'll show you what the texture should look like. Then after I remove from that, I add in a clean bowl, and I did add some flour, just like that. So now I'll add some flour to a flat surface. In here I'll be rolling the balls out. To achieve the smooth balls consistency, you can damp your hand with some water and become nice and smooth. Alright, so we roll it one more time before we place that in some hot oil, about 300 degrees oil. Allow this to become nice and golden, guys. And I did add 1 clove of garlic in the oil as well. Looks amazing, golden brown. That is the garlic I just added, and we allow this also to become nice and golden and then remove from pan. So guys, if you don't have a deep fryer, you can use a deep pot like I did. Sometimes you just have to improvise, and I mean, it's just the same for me. All right, then we remove from pan. All right. There it is, and that is our amazing vegetarian meatballs, guys. It looks absolutely amazing. The crust out there is super delicious. You guys can have this with pasta, whatever you want to have this with. Thank you again, guys, for spending the time with me today. Do have a fabulous day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.